Okay, so when you're trying to install the online order widget, what you want to do is first add a section. You can do so by usually going to page content. You can then select a new section, then scroll down to the code area. Here you'll want to pick up the code from RestaurantOps. So first make sure you have this widget wherever you want it to appear. Then on top of it, just make sure you copy this code and just apply it. And then that should be pretty much all there is to it. So you can see it starts to load. And that should load shortly. It popped up, as you can see. You can move this around if you want. That's all there is to it.